What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an iPhone 17 Pro Max accessory video for you. We're going to be taking a look at the new silicone case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And as you can see, yes, I did go with the new bright cosmic orange color. So we're going to see how some of these accessories on the channel mix and match with this vibrant orange. But I do like silicone, and so I wanted to see what that case was looking like this year. So I decided to go with the purple fog colorway here. MagSafe, it's got the camera control button. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this case. Let's go ahead and open this up. And so we've got our coveted green arrow here. So we're gonna go ahead and rip our arrow. You only really get one shot at this, so let's do it. Bust that open. And as we know from Apple, very minimalist packaging, not too much important stuff on the back. They kind of show you how you can put it in. They show you where you can put your straps. We got the keyholes for the lanyard. They are selling a new accessory this year, a lanyard. So they're kind of emphasizing where you can attach that there. Makes sense. Nothing crazy. Go ahead and pull it out. Here is the case, and there's a little bit of packaging in here, just kind of the whatever safety handling. I don't think Apple does warranty on their products for the cases, so nothing crazy in there. All right, pop this thing out. Here we go. Here's a little first look, little naked first look at the case without the phone. Got our buttons on the side, right? And expect perfect cutouts. It's an Apple product, Apple case. We got our camera control button, right, top. And then we've got our camera lip protection, as well as our Apple logo there in the middle. So we'll go ahead and put our phone in here. We'll probably not following the instructions correctly. Oh well. But it is in. Haven't set the phone up yet, still brand spanking new. But here's a first look. Cosmic orange in the purple fog silicone case. Now, really like the silicone case if you're going to be doing a lot of activities. Maybe you're a physical person, you like going to the gym. I love silicone for kind of that sweat wicking moisture. Feels good, soft, easy to grab, very grippy. This year's silicone case, I would say it feels a little less slippery than the ones in the past. If you've been an avid silicone fan from Apple, you kind of know what I'm talking about. The previous phones have been pretty slippery. This one has a good grip to it, not slippery on the back. All right, but we'll take a look at the sides. All the buttons are where they need to be. All right, ports are looking good at the bottom. And as you can see, maybe the main difference from the last silicone case is the real emphasis here on our lanyard cutouts. That is so you can be able to use the new strap that they're promoting, right? Pretty standout from other cases that they've had. Probably the biggest notable difference on top of our new camera cutout there. Now I'll set it down, see if we can take a look. Doesn't wobble. All right, we would probably anticipate that with the plateau that it isn't going to wobble, but with the lip, as you can see, we'll put it sideways. The lip does jut out enough where you're going to get some good protection on putting your phone on its back. I've seen some other videos and some other swirlings on social media where, because it's aluminum, you may get some scratching and things like that. Now, we won't be testing that on the channel. I pay too much money for these products to bash them and scratch them. There's plenty of other channels that will be doing destructo stuff on the devices, but a lot of people were worried about this piece on the iPhone, on the frame of the plateau. Pop it out and show you. Worried about that being the spot where you could potentially get a lot of nicks and scratches if you didn't have a case. And so if you are planning to protect your iPhone 17 Pro Max with this new camera system, you're going to want to make sure that you get a case that's got some lip and some protection. And so Apple did it right. You've got the protection that you need. And I think it looks pretty cool. It's definitely a standout color, but purple, soft, big fan of purple, kind of mellows out the craziness of the cosmic orange. But that's it. That's really all there is to this case. Like anything else that you've gotten from Apple in terms of the silicone material, It's about the same. I would say it feels a little bit more grippy. We'll see after a few weeks of using the phone how the grip and how it holds up to the wear and tear, but nothing too crazy about this case. You're going to get the typical Apple prices for all of their accessories you can expect. $50 and above for these cases, all right, plus tax. But if you're looking for a silicone case right out the get-go from launch, that is going to have all the bells and whistles that you need, the camera control, lip protection, good cutouts and ports. Can't really beat the folks that actually make the phone. Go with their case, go with their accessories. I know there's some cheaper options out there. If you don't want to spend this much money, you definitely can find some other silicone cases on the market that probably will fit your needs. But hey, it's not Apple if it doesn't cost a little something, huh? Appreciate you guys sticking it to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, you enjoyed the content, I would love for a thumbs up. Does wonders for the channel. If you want to see more tech-related content, Apple content, lifestyle stuff right here on this channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. But until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.